This is a buggy. It was, or a Surrey maybe. It was, I don't know what the difference is, but all I remember was that song. It's built about 1880 with these fine wooden wheels. Now these are modern tires. I imagine it would originally have had maybe iron around there. There's that. Oh, you can see, kind of see in there that bolt that holds it on there. And this is this device here. Really interesting. The horse comes between here and hitch it to the wagon that way. And this is where it turns. So when the horse turns, they can pull the vehicle. The wheels actually turn, and then the whole vehicle turns. And there's even the roof of it. Nice old-fashioned seats here. Wooden right here, and then an iron frame for the roof. Like someone pointed out, you could actually lash some sort of weather protection here on these little protrusions there. And see the floor of it is made of wood too, the little boards there. So very interesting. These little things to step up on. You can step on. You see those nice long springs there. Kind of keep it from getting too bumpy. And a red sign, something to make it a little bit street legal here. It's very interesting. Okay. Just down there. Very interesting. How it's held on down there. Very interesting. Wow. Very nice. Oh, that's wonderful. That's a nice lady that gave the kids a ride.